Hey Naturally Curly World, I'm Evelyn.
And I'm Nikki.
And in this video, we want to help you in all your 2018 endeavors. So we are going to vision board with you. All right, we're gonna show you how we make our vision boards. So get your magazines ready to cut out, get your board ready, get your vision ready, and let's do this.
Have you ever created a vision board before?
When I was a youth, maybe like, 6th grade, 7th grade, I used to cut up magazines and be like, these are my dreams.
I've created mood boards before, which is just like color and pretty things.
Yeah.
But never a vision board. And I'm not really sure if I know the difference between like what a vision is versus like what your goals are. Like, your goals would help you reach your vision?
Yes.
Okay.
Your
So that makes
goals
sense.
are the steps to the final picture of your life.
Right. If you've never made a vision board, you wouldn't necessarily say, oh, I want to drop 10 pounds.
You could,
You could?
because your vision is a healthier you.
Yeah, okay. Okay, all right. I think I could do this.
Yeah, let's just tell you guys what you need, okay?
Do some
So
basics.
you're gonna have to go and get some magazines. We got Vogue, Teen Vogue, we got Men's Health.
Men's health, because men's health and mood health are the same thing.
It's the same health. We got Glamour, we got
Essence.
with Kofi.
Yes.
So we just got a bunch of magazines.
yeah.
What is that?
What
Oh,
is that?
Entrepreneur. Yes, we need that. So yeah, just get a bunch of magazines that suit your fancy. And then we got some cardstock, some colorful paper, as you can see, that will kind of inspire us. Are you feeling yellow? Are you feeling green?
Yeah.
Saying
Money.
give me money. Yes, yes. So that's kind of supplemental decoration for our vision board. So then we have our actual boards for the vision board. It's this poster board. As you can see, you can do any size you want, any color. It's all up to you. All right, so let's just begin. So I ended up cutting out a lot of words and phrases, affirmations, if you will. Not so much like photos. And so that's another thing. You will feel and see what you end up being drawn to as you're flipping through these magazines. So I got things like New Kids on the Block.
Yes.
The Art of Self-Promotion, Girl You So Fly.
Girl, you so fly.
Turning big dreams into bold moves. So as you can see,
Yeah.
my vision for 2018 is to be part of that, that new guard, that new group
Also have some words.
group of people. That's what the vision board will help me do, articulate myself. I want to be part of that new crew of people, creatives coming up. You know what I'm saying?
When I was thinking about what I wanted for 2018, I was like, I'm pretty satisfied with who I am as a person.
Wow.
I know not a lot of people are satisfied with
That's
themselves. I really
great.
am. But I thought about what one of the things was Women of the Year. And for me, I was like, you know what? I just want to be a woman of the year to myself. Like, if that means taking care of myself, if it means that I'm being like a great mom or a great wife, or if I'm being a really good friend, to me, that's being a woman of the year. And then I picked out some stuff that was more like fashion forward. Being pregnant the last 9 months, I haven't felt very fashionable. Felt kind of lame. So I was like, you know what? 2018, I'm going to step my wardrobe game up. I envision myself looking beautiful every day.
Oh, wow.
It's a lot. I want to put on makeup, do my hair, wear a cute outfit, because I really felt like for a good part of the year, I just look like a bum. And it's time for me to love myself, internally and externally.
Dude, where is that? I also cut out Michael B. Jordan for many reasons.
What reasons could Michael
Now,
B. Jordan?
as you can see, he's in front of the camera. So am I directing a Michael B. Jordan film? Or am I married to Michael B. Jordan? It could be both.
It's 2018, it's a new vision, new goal for yourself.
So I have this phrase, 2018 is going to be so much better.
So much.
Please God,
much
please.
better.
Both for myself and this country.
I also cut out some people who I thought were just, they embody the kind of woman I want to be, the kind of creative I want to be, the kind of girl I want to be. One of them is Tracy Ellis Ross. I love her to death. She is my favorite person. She's stylish, she's funny, she's comfortable, and she's confident. And then obviously Issa Rae, she is goals. You know, she started out on YouTube making these little videos, and now she's on HBO. Like, she is gold. So her, and then obviously our Uncle Dad.
Oh my God, yes.
Uncle Dad. Rich of Shea Moisture. I just think that his vision for his company, as far as like giving back and paying it forward, is very important to me. I believe in philanthropy. I believe in giving back to people when you have a lot, even when you don't have a lot. And I think he embodies that. So Rich is on there as well.
Y'all be out here talking about Shea Moisture is canceled. Okay. All right. You going to cancel Shea Moisture?
Cancel Shea Moisture, but he canceled it. What do you want people in Ghana? You know what I'm saying?
So
Give it back.
he's my dad.
Yeah.
I don't know about y'all.
You know? And I have not given up on that JBCO leave-in. I'm sorry, it is quite delicious. So are you putting your like words? Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to make a collage.
You are so visual.
I'm trying to make a collage of affirmations,
Yes.
color schemes,
Yes.
colorways, if you will, that inspire me, because the goal of a vision board is to really like look at it frequently, you know? Oh, what is that?
You know,
What is that?
Don't worry about this part. I'm making a circle and some shapes and things.
Oh, to cut it out.
Yes.
Okay, no, I'm following you. Okay, got my glue sticks.
You're not a graphic designer, but with a vision board, you don't have to be. You know,
Don't have
you can just be yourself. You don't need to be yourself if you don't know how to make shapes.
They say if you see it,
Hey,
you can achieve it.
yes, you can. Is that Disney? Is that the Bible? Don't worry about it.
I was gonna say, is that I believe I can fly? Is that R. Kelly? Oh no.
I think for the center of my board, I'm gonna put this quote from Amanda Stenberg.
Stenberg, yes, my daughter.
Y'all have a 18-year-old. And it says, icons carve out a space the world says shouldn't exist. And that's who I want to be, you know? I want to carve out a space for myself and for people I love and for people who need a space.
What's important for my vision board isn't just that it says what I want it to say, it's that it feels how I want it to feel.
Yeah.
So, big dreams, bold moves, and in the corner of that, I'm gonna have, oh no, where'd she go? In the corner of that, I'm gonna have, where's Lena Waithe? I cut out a picture of Lena Waithe.
You should cut out a picture of like an organizer.
Aren't you supposed to be a glow creator?
You know, in 2018, you need to get new friends.
So, you know, we have made a lot of progress. So what we're gonna do is finish this up real quick and come back with our final thoughts, ambitions, wishes.
Can we swatch?
No, I'm good. Anyway, come back. All right, so we are done with our vision boards for 2018. Here's what they look like.
Let us know in the comments below what your vision for yourself is for 2018. Who do you want to be?
Who do you want to be? That's a big question. Also, go ahead and follow us on our social medias to see if we actually accomplish anything we said. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead, give it a like, comment, share, and follow our page. We post these videos every Friday, so we'll see you next week.
Bye.